In this video, I will show you how to save a Google Chrome page as a PDF. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this, but the best way that I found to do this is to use an extension from the Chrome Web Store. So what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to open this menu. From here, what you want to do is you should see an option for the Chrome Web Store. So if you come down to extensions and hover over this, you're going to see in the sub menu the option to visit Chrome Web Store. Give that a click and that's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. And from here, you want to come up to the search box at the top and just type capture and then search for capture. Now the extension we need to install is this one here called Go Full Page. Give it a click, that's going to take you to the extension page. So as you can see, it's a very well used extension. It's got 84,000 ratings at 4.9, so you can click onto these to read reviews if you want to, but all you need to do is click the add to Chrome button. At this point, you're going to get a pop-up saying to add extension. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is install this onto Google Chrome. Now once the extension's installed, what it's going to do is give you a confirmation screen like this, basically saying it's been installed. So what we can now do is find a Google Chrome page that we want to save as a PDF. So what I've just done a quick Google search for Tech Tutor YouTube, and you can see this is a full page. Now, of course, with this, it's going to download the entire page. Nothing's going to be missed off. But to actually use the extension, what you want to do once you're on the page that you want to save is come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto this kind of jigsaw puzzle piece looking icon. This is your extensions icon, and you should see Go Full Page come up. Give it a click, and what it's going to do, as you can see, it's going to start doing a screen capture. And you can see we've captured the whole page. To download this as a PDF, all you need to do at this point is come up to the toolbar at the top and you're going to see an option to download as a PDF. You can also download this as an image as well as a PNG format, but of course in this example we're going to download as a PDF. So what you want to do is give that a click. You might get a permission box come up, just click allow, and what that's going to do is download this onto your PC. Once we click this, you can see this is now a PDF and we can just scroll through and see the entire Google Chrome page has been downloaded. So that's how to save Google Chrome page as a PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.